Hey, what is up guys? It's Josh here from GetitunboxTV, and it's finally happening. The Xiaomi Mi 10T 5G is on our channel, and this is just gonna be the quick unboxing and review. And although we all know this is the first ever device came up with 5G technology, alright, within the 70,000 price tag category, and it's sort of a, you can say, fingerprint magnetic. We can see the smears and the scars of our fingerprints on the back, so it's protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5 front and back, 3 layers and 3-in-1 protection on the side, back and front. So let's quickly check the unboxing experience, what we are going to get, and then we will jump out to the other specifications. Okay guys, so before I jump to the unboxing section, I would like to quickly remind you guys one thing, that there are two differences in the Pro model and the standard model. The standard model came with the Sony's IMX682 sensor, but the Pro model came with the Samsung's sensor, and the Pro model is 108 megapixel, but the standard model is 64 megapixel. So these are the two differences, and apart from that, the upper model has extra gigs of internal storage, so that is not something new. It's just an, you can say, sort of a difference between the storage. So the first thing we will notice once we lift up the box, okay, we have the booklet, the SIM ejector tool on the top, okay, then we got some warranty stuff, user manual, then we got this TPU case, and I really like it because I read on their official site it's anti-scratch. It doesn't affect the backside of your device from inside, even it's anti-scratch, sort of a premium quality TPU case. All right, then we got the power brick, which is a 64 megapixel. Then we got the power brick, which is a 33 watts fast charging power brick. As we all know, the same thing came up with the Poco X3. All right, now then we have the device came up with the USB Type-C cable, and that is also with the orange accent. It's a good sign. So for the headphone connectivity, they have provided a small, you can say, dongle, which we can use, a connector that can be used for the hands-free. So that was the experience of unboxing. Let's quickly check out the overall, you can say, view of this mobile. As I told you, we really appreciate Xiaomi's effort here for putting 3-in-1 Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection on the back, side and front. And look at this massive bumper of the camera sensor. That is indeed good. That is indeed good, and we should appreciate their effort here. Okay, so that was the unboxing experience. Now let's take a quick look of the overall. So we have the USB Type-C port, okay, SIM card tray, we got the noise cancellation mic, we have the speaker grill. The secondary speaker grill is here. The sound comes from this place, and the volume can be heard from this angle. We have the IR blaster in order to connect any sort of a Mi remote to check any sort of a TV. And let's start with the power of unlocking speed, and it's too fast. All right, the selling point for this mobile was this 144 Hertz display rate. That is so fast. The refresh rate is so amazing, and we can see it here. So Xiaomi has been consistent with its Mi devices, and it's really amazing to see a big jump here. And that is the HDR10 plus screen. We can see the 90 Hz, 144 Hz and 60 Hz difference here. And then we have the color scheme. Even though we can optimize it more, I put it here, but I want to use it on saturated. We can go even further to use it, and in order to use that, we need to go here, and this will allow us to edit further, but I prefer to use it here, saturated, which I like the most. All right, now it's time to check with the sound quality. The sound quality to me was really amazing, I would say. That's the max volume. For the all specs, the phone came up with the MIUI 12 with 12.0.7. That's the latest update we got from it, and 8 gigs of RAM, LPDDR5, and the Snapdragon 865 processor. These are the key features of selling this phone, and I would really say for the PUBG players, it's really an amazing package to go with. I would say blindly that you should go for it. It's really great. Only the one thing I would say, according to the recent rumors, okay, MIUI 12.5 is going to be out because they are just working on 12.5. so in next year first quarter they will release their MIUI 13. So their optimization for this UI needs to be fixed a little, because I checked it with other devices. It's fast, but the thing is, like, the optimization here needs to be a bit faster. You guys can see if I click it, it's just taking a bit time. So this is it for the overall experience. The sound quality was great, okay. The selling point is that, and the camera quality is really awesome. If you take a look here, it's just an example of front selfie camera, a normal photo, okay, and the quality looks fine. Then the HDR photo, I felt the HDR a bit more sharper, as you guys can see the way I zoomed in, okay, the beard, mustache, even the chin side can be seen very well. So yeah, from the camera angle, that is great. And when it comes to the rear camera section, okay, we do see the 8K camera option, then the 4K 60 fps, alright, then 4K 30 fps, then the 1080p 60 fps, 1080p 30 fps. We do have the 960 fps slow-mo option. For the photos, we are working with a 64 megapixel Sony's IMX682 sensor, and a 13 megapixel wide camera, ultra wide camera, and a 5 megapixel macro camera with autofocus technology. So that was quickly it, and we will check out the final reviews and everything in my other video. I will compare it with other devices. So far, that's all for now. We did as much as we could cover in this video. The selling point, I will again repeat that the 3 key points are the reason for this mobile to be purchased, okay. The 144 Hz refresh rate, the Snapdragon 865 packed with the Adreno 650 GPU, and the LPDDR5 RAM, alright, and the 128 internal storage of HDR10 plus screen display. So that was it. I hope you liked this video. I just quickly wanted to give you guys a better idea. And remember guys, this is really amazing. In a 70,000 a 5G device, okay, that is something new we've never seen. Even though we purchased back in past the Samsung's A71 in 70,000, that was just with lower chipset, okay, you can say 4G, you can say device. This is now the 5G device with better specs and everything. This is gonna be, I would say, a flagship mid-range killer, okay, and we will check out their everything in our next videos, okay. Stay tuned. If you wanted to compare this with the Poco X3 and other flagship devices, do let me know in the comment section. I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care. Peace out.